Good evening. So today video we are going to see which are the sectors are good for invest for this week. Good for invest for this week. So now we are seeing Nifty auto chart in 3 hours. So here we can able to see that Nifty auto has been initiated its bullish trend and it may continue until 11,000 at least. And the rally may continue till 11,200 also. So we can search for stocks which under bullish category in automobile sector. And the next sector is we are going to see the Nifty FMCG. So for the same 3-year time frame in FMCG also the indices seems to be somewhat trying to get strengthened, but we have to wait for at least 1 or 2 days for confirmation of the FMCG indices. So now we have to wait at least for 2 days in FMCG sector for investing stocks, and we can expect a positive move in the bullish trend for Nifty FMCG sector. So now we can search, definitely we can search the stocks in automobile sector. And what are the sectors we can expect for bullish trend even from tomorrow? One is automobile and another one is Nifty Private Bank. So this is the chart for Nifty Private Bank. The Nifty Private Bank in 3 hours it is not confirming its bullish trend, but in 1 hour chart it is very good. So we can seek entries for private bank sectors. Even today in ICICI Bank I have analyzed an entry at 319 to 324, and by evening it has given a very good bull ride up to 332. So private sectors are very good for entries in this week. In 1 hour chart time frame the indices is very strong. Soon the banking sectors are, as we know, the private sector banks are very volatile. Soon it may give a very good strength in bullish trend even at 3 hours. And then regarding Nifty Metal, the sector for metals in 1 hour chart, the sector for metals is almost completed its bullish trend, and we can see here there is a very big candle today morning which has given a breakout at the sector indices level 3950. So we can expect for a correction move until here, then we can look for entries in metal stocks. So until we have to wait for entries in metal stock. So the another, so now we have to it is safe to avoid stocks in metals. Then Nifty Pharma, regarding Nifty Pharma, the Nifty Pharma is also showing some good move in bullish trend, but we have to wait at least for tomorrow. After tomorrow the correction in these indices, there may be a bullish movement in pharma stocks. So we have to wait at least for tomorrow. By tomorrow evening around 3 p.m. or the day after tomorrow morning 9:15 market opens, we can confirm the bullish trend for pharma sectors. So for if we want to invest some stocks by tomorrow, we can seek the sectors private banks and automobiles. Nifty small cap and mid cap, regarding Nifty small cap and mid cap, in 1 hour chart and also 3 hours chart we can able to see there is a breakout in Nifty small cap 50. So we can wait for a correction move until the level, the indices level 4163. So after a retracement in the indices, we can search for some bullish stock. And the Nifty mid cap stocks, the Nifty mid cap stocks also given some breakouts at the levels 7027, and we shall wait for a correction. So now for tomorrow selection of stocks for investing for a short term trading, we can consider Nifty Auto, Nifty the Nifty Auto stocks and Nifty private bank stocks. We can surely we can seek for entries in these stocks for investment. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.